Blocking refers to the first time your knitwear meets the water. It opens up your stitches, allows the strand of yarn to bloom slightly, and helps your project hold its final shape. The first thing you need is warm water. You'll fill your basin, bathtub, or sink and add your wool wash as directed by the label. My personal favorite is eucalyptus. Swirl the water with your hand to incorporate. Then add your knits, making sure each item gets fully saturated with water. Don't over-agitate, as this can promote felting. Leave them to soak for 20 to 30 minutes, then lift each item out and gently press out the water with your hands. Never wring your knits. I recommend using a no-rinse wash so that you don't have to repeat that process. Now you'll lay out towels and roll up your knits. Press to remove water. Again, do not wring. Arrange your knits on blocking mats. Stretch them out to size. And shape them while damp. You can use pins and blocking wires for shawls and garments. For a hat, I usually just lay it out on the mat and pull it into shape. Allow your knits to dry completely, and then they're ready to wear. Or if you were blocking the pieces of a sweater, you're ready to seam. Share your best blocking tips in the comments. Happy knitting!